Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. This is B1 level text given in the B1 level book. So I have taken this text which is very important. You can see it is for B1 level students and very important text for Lesen. We practice reading skills. So we'll read this text. Mit Sprache arbeiten. Okay, mit Sprache arbeiten, to work with the language. So in this text we see different people are working with the languages. Sprachen faszinieren viele Menschen und viele lernen in ihrer Freizeit eine neue Sprache. Language fascinates many people and many learn in their free time a new language. Freizeit in free time. So please note down the difficult words, okay, so that you can learn it faster without any difficulty. Wir stellen Ihnen Menschen vor. Vorstellen, we introduce. We introduce you people, die Sprache zu ihrem Beruf gemacht haben, who have made language to their profession. They have made the language to their profession. Vor einem Jahr habe ich meine Ausbildung als Gebärdendolmetscher abgeschlossen. Vor einem Jahr, 1 year ago. For means ago. 1 year ago, I have completed abgeschlossen. I have completed my training, meine Ausbildung als Gebärdendolmetscher. Dolmetscher, interpreter. Interpreter is called Dolmetscher. Dolmetscher. And Gebärder means deaf and dumb people, okay, who cannot speak. Okay. So he is a Dolmetscher for those people. Das ist mein Traumberuf. He's saying this is my Traumberuf. This is my dream job. This is my Traumberuf. This is my dream job. He likes that profession. Ich sorge für eine gute Kommunikation. I take care the good communication, that there should be good communication without any problem. Okay, so he used the hand signal. Ich sorge, I take care. Sorgen für means to take care. Sorge plus für, he take care a good communication between the mention, between the people. Und ich mache jeden Tag etwas anderes, and I do jeden Tag, I do every day something other. Manchmal begleite ich gehörlose Menschen zu einer Untersuchung beim Doktor. So he helps actually gehörlose people who cannot listen. He helps those people. He works with them. He works as an interpreter for them. He go begleitet means accompany. Begleiter means to accompany, to escort. So escort these people, gehörlose Menschen, zu einer Untersuchung for a diagnosis checkup with the doctor. Or is Dolmetscher in conference. He also works in a conference. Im Gericht. Gericht means court. Okay? Court. In front of judge. Oder auf dem Standesamt. In the official. In the government office. When jemand heiratet. If somebody get married, he needs the registration. And for that purpose, he goes with these people who are unable to hear. They cannot hear. Okay? They have problem. So he helps them. He works for them. For these people. Das ist interessant und abwechslungsreich. Abwechslungsreich means changeable. A work that keeps changing means you work with the new people in the new atmosphere. So it's abwechslungsreich and interessant. So he says, I like this job. I find it interesting and abwechslungsreich. There is a change. It is not monotonous. It is changeable. Very good job. An manchen Tagen habe ich mehrere Aufträge. Aufträge means assignments, task. So he says, on some days I have lot of work. Aufträge, assignments. Und arbeite von 8 Uhr morgens bis 8 Uhr abends. And I work from 8 to 8, means 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. An anderen Tagen, on other days, habe ich complete frei. I am completely free, means it's a seasonal job. It's not a fixed job. Sometimes he has lot of work from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., 12 hours work. And on other days, he has no work, complete free. Aber ab Oktober habe ich einen festen Termin in der Woche. But October onwards, ab means onwards. October onwards, he has a fixed appointment in the week. He has a fixed task. He has got fixed job once in a week. Der unterrichte ich immer am Montag in einer Schule für Gehörlose. And he will be teaching to such people in a school on every Monday. So from October onwards, he has got a fixed job of teaching in a school of gehörlose people, those who cannot hear, impaired people, physically challenged. So this was about Tom. So Tom is working as a dolmetscher. He looks after these gehörlose mentioned. He accompanies them. He has a lot of work sometimes he has no work. And from October onwards, he has a fixed timing. He has a fixed job. Okay, this is the task. Next person is Lena. This is Lena. Ich bin noch in der Ausbildung. I'm still in the Ausbildung. I'm still in the training. She is still doing training. Aber ich habe es fast geschafft. But I have finally managed. Almost. Fast means almost. I have almost managed. Ich will Logopädin werden. Logopädin is speech therapist. She trains with kids, a speech therapist who have problem while speaking. There are many children, many people who cannot speak properly. So they need speech therapist. Lena is Logopädin. Okay, speech therapist. Ich will Logopädin werden. I want to become Logopädin, weil Sprachtherapie schon immer interessant für mich war. She's saying, because speech therapy was always interesting for me. Am liebsten möchte ich mit Kindern arbeiten. I like the most to work with the kids. She liked to work with the kids. In einer schönen Praxis mit netten Leuten. In a beautiful clinic with the nice people. And fixed work timings. Festen Arbeitszeiten. Okay, festen means fix. Festen Arbeitstag. Fixed work timings. Jetzt bin ich den ganzen Tag in der Schule. And now I am the whole day, ganzen Tag in der Schule. She is the whole day in the school. Nach dem Unterricht lerne ich immer noch über eine Stunde. And she's saying, after the class, I learn always over 1 hour. Sometimes 2 or 3 hours. Also till 8, 10 or 11 p.m. So she's working as well as she is learning for herself. Because her training is still going on. Ist noch da. Das geht noch bis nächsten Sommer so. And it will keep going till the next summer. Till next summer it will be like this only. Dann sind Prüfungen and then exams. Und ab dem 1. Juni and from 1st Juni onwards nach 3 Jahren Ausbildung. After 3 years of training, I will be complete Logopädin. I will be a perfect speech therapist. Und kann mit dem Arbeit anfangen. And can I start with the work. So June onwards, she has exams, and after exams, she will become perfect Logopädin. She will complete her training, Ausbildung, and then after writing exam, she can be a Logopädin and she can work. She can start with the work, anfangen. Okay, full-time work. Now we'll read about the Klaus. In the next person, he's also. We'll see what he does. Seit 4 Jahren bin ich Übersetzer. He's saying, since 4 years, seit 4 Jahren, since 4 years I am translator von Drehbüchern. Translator of Drehbücher für Filme, means printed books. The books for films. We translate these books for film and cinema. Für Film und Kino haben mich schon immer fasziniert. Fascinate means fascinate, something attracts you, something you find interesting. So he finds film and cinema very interesting. Ich arbeite freiberuflich. I work independent. Freiberuflich means independent. It's a very good word, freiberuflich. Like I can say, ich arbeite freiberuflich. I work independent. Wie viele Übersetzer? As many other translator. Übersetzer means translator. There is a difference between Übersetzer and Dolmetscher. Dolmetscher speaks on the spot. Okay, he is interpreter. Übersetzer translate, writes. Okay, translate. Bin also mein eigener Chef. Eigener Chef means I am my own boss. I am my own boss. I am working independently. I am my own boss, my eigener Chef. Manchmal habe ich sehr viel Arbeit. Sometimes I have lot of work. Ich fange morgens 10 Uhr an und arbeite bis Mitternacht. I work in the morning at 10 a.m. and work till midnight, Mitternacht. So he works a lot, Mitternacht, till midnight he works. Es gibt aber auch andere Phasen, but there are also other phases. Da warte ich dann auf Aufträge und habe sehr viel Zeit. Like Tom, he has also sometimes no work and he has lot of free time. A lot of free time. He doesn't have Aufträge. He doesn't have work, assignments. Ich habe also auch mal am Montag frei. Sometimes I have also free on Monday. Ich liebe meinen Beruf. I love my profession. Aber manchmal ist es auch ein bisschen einsam. But sometimes it is also alone. Einsam, lonely. He's lonely because he works independent. He has no team. He has no group, no colleagues. He works independent. So he feels einsam, lonely. So that was our text. You can watch this video once again and note down all the difficult words which is very, very important for you as a learner. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.